Okay, Dante James has his new car, just put together from by Mom, and we're going to take a little tour around the living room. He's going to drive. Go ahead, Dante. Go ahead, steer the steering wheel. Steer the steering wheel. Where do we go? What do you think? Whee! Oh, we're going in the door. Puppy dog's barking. Okay, you're going this way. Well, watch where we're going. Hey, how's it going? You gotta watch the road, man. You gotta watch the road. Oh, we're gonna run into the books. Oh, right into the bookshelf. Alright. Turn around. Turn around. How you doing, man? Pretty fun, huh? Ta-da! Good driving, man. Yeah, I think you're ready for your test. Yeah, you know how to work that door too. That's good. Really? Yeah, you said thank you, Mommy, for making my neat car. Yeah. Woo! Are you making it go yourself now? Yeah. Sure. I know, I can't stand LA traffic either. It's got little feet sticking out underneath. I have to show you the Flintstones someday. Whoa! Whoop. Don't fall out underneath there. Oh, he's going backwards. He's going backwards. How you doing? You okay? Boop. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.